Hello everybody. Let us consider a few examples on sampling. So the example is a certain stimulus administered to each of 12 patients resulted in the following increase of blood pressure. So they're given the amount how much it has been increased. Can it be concluded that the stimulus will in general be accompanied by an increase in the blood pressure? That is the question asked. So this is the data of 12 patients. Now does it can we claim that for the population, the stimulus will in general increase the blood pressure? So T value from the table is also given to us. Now let us write the hypothesis. The stimulus will increase the blood pressure. Now X bar, it is summation X by N. Take the sum of all these data, whatever is given. N will be 12. 12 values are given to us. So X bar is 2.583. Now, sigma s, the value is not given to us, standard deviation. Hence, we'll go for sigma s square, which is summation of x square by n minus x bar whole square. Now, take the summation of x square, divide it by n is 12. So, summation of x square, that is 5 square plus 2 square plus 8 square, so on up till we have to go up to 6 square. Add them all, divide by 12, then subtract the x bar square. X bar is already calculated in it. So now we'll see that sigma s square is 8.744. Hence taking the square root, sigma s will be 2.9571. Now we go for the formula of t, that is x bar minus mu divided by sigma s by under root n minus 1. X bar we have calculated 2.583. Now mu, population mean, is not given to us. So what we do is the population is assumed to be normal with mu equal to 0. Whenever we miss the data of mu for the population, it is considered that the mean is 0 there. So let us consider mu is 0. Then sigma s value 2.9571 and under root n minus 1, it is root 11. Now simplification will give us t as 2.897 again, which is greater than 2.2. So we see that the value of t is greater than t at the 5% level of significance. Hence our assumption is rejected. It lies outside the acceptance region. We reject the hypothesis that stimulus will increase the blood pressure. So this conclusion will be the stimulus will not increase the blood pressure. Let us consider one more example, students. A machine is supposed to produce washers of mean thickness 0.12 centimeter. A sample of 10 washers was found to have a mean thickness of 0.128 centimeters and standard deviation 0.008. Test whether the machine is working in proper order at 5% level of significance. So T value is again given here. Now we'll write the given data. A machine is supposed to produce washers of this much. That means the population mean should be 0.12 and a sample of 10 washers. So n becomes 10 here. It is found that these 10 washers have a mean thickness of 0.128. That means x bar is 0.128. Standard deviation sigma s is 0.008. Now we'll go for finding the value of t, taking the formula x bar minus mu divided by sigma s by under root n minus 1. Substitute the values, we get t equal to 3, which is again greater than the table value of 2.26 for 5% level of significance. Now this implies that hypothesis is rejected at a 5% level of significance. So I didn't mention you the hypothesis. The question is test whether the machine is working in proper order. Hence our hypothesis must be machine is working in proper order. Now since the value of t is greater than the table value, we reject the hypothesis. That implies our conclusion is machine is not working in proper order.